Hi, welcome to Rate My Gadget, and I'm going to show you how to use a digital tyre inflator. Now there's various ones out there, but they're all pretty much the same, so I'll show you how to safely use it. So first you need to make sure your car is on a level flat ground. Make sure it's safe for you as well, so it's out of the way of any traffic. Open the door, and what you want to be doing then is winding down all of your windows. And inside that driver door you'll find the pressures that the tyres should be. It might be on the driver or passenger door. So as you can see, it tells you according to how much you're going to be loading the car. 2.3 if there's just two of you with a suitcase, 2.6 bar if it's going to be fully loaded. Start the car, and that's really important. And on some vehicles what you'll find is that it has a tyre pressure indicator on the dashboard. See if you can find that. If you can't, don't worry about it. And then you're looking for the cigarette lighter. So here in the VW it's in the centre, the 12 volt cigarette adapter line in. Like I said, open the windows because you don't want to be locked out the car just in case. And then you get the digital tyre indicator, and this is the cigarette lighter or the 12 volt plug-in that you're pulling out here. That long lead is so that you can reach all of the wheels. So pull that whole lead out, so you've got all of the lead to play with, and then I would propose putting it through the window and plugging it in. Again, if it's remote access, make sure your keys are in the car. And what you'll find is when you first turn it on, there probably nothing happens. You might find that it tries to inflate, so turn the unit off, make sure it's got a zero display, and then go to the wheel. Take the dust cap off, turn it anti-clockwise, make sure you hold on to that dust cap. And once that's removed, don't touch the valve there, because that's basically what caused the air to escape. Twist on and don't force it clockwise. You'll eventually hear a hissing of air there, and what that means is that it's starting to open up the valve. Keep turning it until you stop hearing that anymore. Okay? Now it's connected, and what you'll find is it will show you the pressure on the display. So now when you turn it on, it will make a loud noise. It will probably try and inflate the tyre. But what you want to be doing is you want to set the device through the panel. In this case, you hold down the plus button and set it to the pressure that you require the wheel to be at. So I'm going to set it to 2.6. And what that does, as soon as I turn it on, it will then inflate the tyre to that pressure. Okay, so as you can see, it makes an awful lot of noise, so you'll know it's working. The display, the numbers will slowly creep up, and eventually once it gets to the required pressure, it will turn itself off. Okay. Now once you're at that point, undo the connection. Do it quite swiftly. You don't want to be taking it slowly, because as you hear that hissing sound, the air is coming out. Put the dust cap back on, and then you're finished. Make sure that you set everything away. If you need to reset tyre pressures on your car for your dash, you may have to. But I hope that's helped. Please like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and please comment at the bottom if you've got any questions.